See, the question is saying that the body is moving with the speed of 36 kilometer per hour at the
Yes.
4 seconds. So you have to find out how much distance the body has traveled. Correct? For
Yes.
that, we know the velocity is equals to displacement upon time, or you can say it as a speed also, because here there is not written this is a velocity, this is just kilometer per hour. So you can write it down, speed is equals to distance upon time also, doesn't matter at all. Because displacement is not mentioned it here completely, right? If the displacement will be mentioned, then you have to write velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So speed
Yeah.
is equals to distance upon time. So speed into time is equals to what my distance, and distance I want it in the kilometer. So here 36 kilometer per hour is there. Per means what? Divided by hour. 36 kilometer divided by hour, and we know that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds, because hour is not my SI unit. So 36 kilometer divided by 3600 second into 4 second. Second
Okay.
get cancelled. Second get cancelled. 36 ones are, the hundreds are. So this is 4 by 100 kilometer. So this is equals to 0.04 kilometer.
Okay.
Understood, beta?
Yes. Understood.
Now any doubts?
No doubts.
Okay. Shall I give you some more questions?
Sure.
Just complete this thing first. Write it down in your notebook.
Okay. Yes. Got it.
Fine. Okay. Now the second question. Write the second question.
Okay.
The total suppose a truck travels. Suppose a truck travels 60 kilometer in first hour and 80 kilometer in second hour.
Okay.
Okay. What is the average speed? See, average speed formula is total distance upon total time taken. Normally the speed is what? Distance upon time. So average speed will be what? Total distance upon total time.
Yes. Yes.
Understood?
So yeah, for this, I think that because it's the first hour and the second hour, it's
Yes.
60 plus 80, so
Very good.
140
Good.
divided by two,
Correct.
and
Correct.
you get
Now you
70. So
gotcha.
average is 70 kilometers.
Gotcha. Good boy. Okay. So total hour is how much? Total distance is how much? Total distance will be 60 plus 80. This is equals to 140 kilometer, and it's already is written in second. If it is written in hour, then you have to convert
Yeah.
into second, because second is our SI unit. Okay. So total time is equals to what? Total time, 1 for this second, 1 for this second. It means 2 seconds. So average speed will be total distance upon total time. This is equals to 140 divided by 2. This is equals to 70 kilometer per second. Sorry, per hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is 2
Yeah.
per second होगा ना, in second ना.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. The next. Little bit I am giving you tricky. Shall I?
Okay. Yeah.
Suppose a bus travel, suppose, write it down the next question. Suppose a bus travel first 240 kilometer at a speed of 80 kilometer per hour. It covers next 360 kilometer at a speed of 90 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed? What is the average speed?
Okay.
What is the average speed? See, बच्चे. First
Hmm.
is what 240 kilometer. Okay. The speed of 80 kilometer. It covers 360 kilometer in 90 kilometer. But we don't know the
Yes.
time is hour. But we don't know the time. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why
First we
I,
have to find out the time now, baby.
yeah.
What time? What
So
have
that's
to
what I
do?
actually tried to do.
Yes.
I did 240 divided by 80. So I found that they traveled 240 kilometers in 3 hours. And then the next one, I found that they traveled 360 by 4 hours. I
Yes.
think because uh 90, like 360 divided by 90 equals 4. So
Correct. Correct.
yes.
So 360 divided by 90. This is equals to 4 hour. So total time is equals to how much?
7
4,
hours.
7 hours. Very good. Total distance is how much?
Total distance is 600
240
km.
plus 360. This is equals to 6 4
600
10.
kilometers.
Yeah, 600 kilometer. So average speed will be 600 divided by 7. That will be approximately 7 7 60 85 80. Then it will be written 85.71 kilometer per hour.
Okay.
85.71 kilometer. So that's why I told you that it is 85. You have your answer is almost approx equal. But it's not the exact
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
85.71. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next question, beta. Similar to that, this time no mistake. Write it down. Total journey is Total journey is 600 kilometer. Okay, full stop. A bus travel first 120 kilometer of trip at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. What should be speed for next 480 kilometer so that average speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, not do it.
Okay.
Correct. First time is what? Time one will be how much? 120 in 40 kilometer per hour. So we know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. So this is equals
Yes.
to 120 divided by 40. This is hour. 1 divided by this much. Okay, so this is equals to how much? 3 kilometers, 3 hours, right? And then my
Yeah.
time too will be how much? 480 in 60 kilometer per hour. 480 divided by 60. So 6 is the 36 and the 46 is 8 kilometer, 8 hour. Correct. Now my
Yes.
total distance is how much? Total distance is 600. Total time is 8 plus 3, 8, 3, 9, 10, 11. So average speed. Total distance divided by total time. 600 divided by 11. Then 11 fives are 55. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be again 5. Then 50, 54 is 44. It will be 44 point, then 44. Then 5, 6. 60, then it will be 54.5 kilometer per hour.
Oh, okay, okay. Makes no sense. Okay.
Okay, simple. This is little bit more tricky. The
Okay.
odometer of the car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of a trip and 2400 kilometer at the end of the trip. Okay,
Okay.
if the trip is of 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Do it.
Okay.
Do it, beta.
So during the entire trip, so if the trip is 8 hours, then 400 divided by 8 will give me an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So
Good.
the average speed per hour, like kilometers per hour, is 50 kilometers. And to convert 50 kilometers, like kilometers from and hours to meters per second, then I have to convert kilometers to meters first, and
Mhm.
every every kilometer equals 1000 meters. So 50 times 1000 will give me, oh sorry, yeah, 50 times 1000 will give me 50,000. And then you said that every hour equals 3600 seconds. So 50,000 divided by 3600 will give me 13.8 approximately,
Or the
or
simplest
13.9.
way, or you the simplest way that you have to say, see, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Okay, so
Yes.
I want kilometer per hour. So one
Yes.
kilometer upon 1 hour is equals to 1000 divided by 3600. So it will be how much? Choose then it will be upon 5 upon 18. It's almost equal
Okay.
to 5 upon 18. The answer is just to remember this value in meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 upon 18 meter per second. This is
Okay.
the value that you have to remember. If now suppose this is value is how much? 50. So 50 multiplied by 5 by 18. That's it.
Okay, got it.
Understood? Then it will be
Yes,
approximately equal to, after doing the calculation, just do the calculation. It will be 13.8 something meter per second.
yes, that's yeah, that's what I said. So it's 13.8 per
Good,
meters per second.
good. Now, for your homework. Now it's time for the homework time.
Okay,
Write two questions for your homework.
okay,
An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? This is your one question, and the second question also I'm giving to you. Second question. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42250 kilometer. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. It seems to be difficult, but it is not difficult.
yes,
It just seems to be a difficult. Now, next question. Manu, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 kilometer per hour. On his trip along the same route, there is less traffic. Okay, and the
yes.
average speed is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the average speed of Manu's trip? Okay, Manu?
Yeah, let me write it down 1 second.
Yeah.
Say, Okay, got it.
Got it?
I'm
So
done.
in the last lecture,
Yeah.
we have studied the theory part. In this lecture, we have solved the numericals because numericals is also very important, right? So
Yes.
whenever you get the IB book, okay, so send me the fix. You will study only one day, right? In a week.
Yes.